A beautifully renovated family home with spectacular views over Quakers Hat Bay. Hi, my name's David Smearley, proudly representing Pello, and I cannot wait to show you this incredible opportunity. Positioned on a large 700 square metre block, this great home boasts generous proportions of both living and entertaining areas. All bedrooms are oversized with built-in wardrobes, access to private courtyards, while the master enjoys a walk-in wardrobe and ensuite bathroom. Recently renovated throughout, there is nothing to spend. The kitchen features an abundance of storage, large stone bench tops, Miele dishwasher, and preferred gas cooktop. This home captures incredible water views from the kitchen, living areas, as well as the master bedroom. A great floor plan, this home boasts multiple living areas with seamless indoor-outdoor flow. Families are going to love the huge infinity pool and entertaining deck bathed in sunshine all day. Other features include double undercover parking, loads of storage throughout, reverse cycle air conditioning, and an alarm. This property is located in a beautiful tree-lined street with no through traffic, ideal for families. Having walked you through this beautiful home, I know that this opportunity will not last long. So if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to give me a call, and we look forward to seeing you at our next open.